In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your inbox layout in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key settings that control how your messages are arranged, how much space they use, and how to multitask with message tabs. First, open your browser and go to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right and select the Sign In option. Follow the prompts to access your account securely. Once you're signed in, click the Mail icon at the upper right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside your inbox, focus on the controls along the right side of the page. Click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens a panel where you can personalize how your inbox looks and feels. If you don't immediately see the layout options, simply scroll down within this panel to reveal more choices. Let's start with message layout. This setting determines where the reading pane appears and how your messages are listed. If you choose List, you'll see a simple list of emails, and you open each one to read it on its own page. This is great if you prefer a clean, focused list. The right option adds a reading pane on the right side of your message list. Click any email and its contents appear instantly without leaving the list, which makes scanning and responding much faster. The bottom option places the reading pane below your list, which can be more comfortable on narrower screens, or if you like a taller reading area. Try each one and see which fits your workflow. The change takes effect immediately, so it's easy to compare. Next, adjust inbox spacing. This controls how dense your message list appears. If you like to see more emails on the screen at once, choose a tighter spacing. If you prefer breathing room and larger click targets, go with a more spacious setting. This is especially helpful if you're working on a smaller laptop or if you use a high-resolution display. Finally, consider turning on message tabs. When enabled, each email you open appears as a tab across the top of your mailbox, letting you switch between multiple messages without losing your place. It's excellent for multitasking. Compare details between emails, draft a reply, and jump back to another thread with a single click. If you don't need it, you can leave it off for a simpler single-view experience. That's it. Go to yahoo.com, sign in, open mail, head to settings on the right, scroll down, adjust your message layout, fine-tune inbox spacing, and if it suits you, enable message tabs. Make a few tweaks, see how they feel, and keep what helps you work faster and more comfortably.